this dress. I don't think I'm taking it back to her. I'm keeping this dress. I love it so much. I'm a fan of Glenda's work. I've always been a fan with her music, with her creativity, designs and everything. And she's my girl. I love her very much. And this month is a very important month. You know, women standing together, supporting each other and being there for each other. And we mustn't just say things. We must just show by example.
This collection is about a woman who's fearless, a woman who stands the ground, a woman who is not afraid to be criticized and to be judged, a woman who knows how to fight for herself as well. And really, honestly, this is what inspired this collection. It helps, that I'm in the entertainment industry, and I believe that fashion plays a very big role in the entertainment industry, whether you are a TV presenter, whether you are a musician, whether fashion is very, very important, because it's important how you look when you go out. And so I always want to bring that together, bringing that entertainment side of it, but I also want to bring the fact that I'm a musician into it as well. I don't want to shy away from that. And fashion has always played an important role in my life as a musician. And every time I do the show, those are the two things that I'm passionate about, which is music and fashion. So when I do my show, I want those two to come together, and I want people to see those coming through.